So in this video I'm going to show you a bit about the Jeep Wrangler. So this is not the exact thing, this is just a model, but I can still drive. So as you can see, these wires have been separated, but these wires are just for the lights up here. So we start with putting each wire in the correct place. Just don't lift the thing up too high or they will detach again. Now there are little parts here, so you can't really start it still because you have to find the places where the little, like here, I just got one. They can be very annoying, but it's easy to fix. And you don't want the wires sticking out too, so you gotta make sure they're inside. And now that I've put them all down, now just to check if the wires are out. No. And then we put these ones with the back part on the top. Like this. Same with the other one. And then these two smaller ones without the back part, you just put on the one on the front. Here. And here. And now that we've done that, place it down. Get your remote controller and start driving. It doesn't matter if it falls or not, because the plastic around it will protect it. And even if the plastic breaks, you can still buy a new one because that's just the plastic and it's not the real thing. For example, like this. These models like this can cost up to $750 like mine here, but they're really worth it because they don't break easily, and there's a battery that you can charge. The battery is very large, but it lasts up to maybe 2 hours and 30 minutes. And there's really so many things you can get about it, like the lights, the everything. As you can see, this is the battery I was talking about. It's really big, but it can store a lot of energy and go really fast on certain ones. This is normally just like a little cable. This is normally something that just like got broke, but that's only just for the back part. I can attach it again, but that's gonna need some glue and stuff. As I said, you can glue these down to like here and stuff so they don't go anywhere. But I prefer that you use normal glue, not to buy the really expensive one. As you can see, I'm putting the thing back on. Now look, you need to put these in the right place. So you normally just need to put it like this, hold it down until it's been completely attached down. And this is basically just a plastic model on top. You can buy really anything. You can even switch the tires if you wanted to, if you buy extra ones. And you can just clean the tires after. It's really easy. So, as a review about this, for the whole time I've had this in my life, I prefer this as a complete 4 or 5, as it can keep you entertained, and well, it's good for making movies and stuff like I just did here. So bye, and make sure to like and subscribe.